This is the 2-pack of Dewalt replacement batteries that were sent over for me to test for this video. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look at these batteries and a quick demo. Let's get into it. So guys, these here are pretty straightforward. You know, they're a direct replacement for your 20-volt max batteries for Dewalt. So this battery here no longer takes a charge. I got just enough in there for a light, but it does not take a charge anymore. So, you know, if you're like me and need some replacements, let's look at these here together. So basically, you know, they're going to go onto your Dewalt charger like so. Charger lights indicating a charge there. These here have a charge level indicator here on a LCD screen there. So you see it tells you what the charge level is on the battery. You can see that there. This here also has a flashlight on the front. So, you know, if you're in an emergency situation or if you're working in a dark environment, you do have a flashlight built right onto the battery. Now these here can charge on your Dewalt chargers, but they can also charge on a USB-C power block. So I don't have a power block here, but basically this here can be charged up via USB-C, and this here also acts as a USB-C power bank. So it's a 65 watt outlet here on the USB-C side. You know, you hook up your device and you're going to get fast charging on your devices. So, you know, I'm a drone pilot. This here is certainly going to be handy for me out in the field, you know, for charging up drone batteries. But let's put this here in this drill here now, just so you can see that they also take the charge on the Dewalt batteries, and they also work on Dewalt devices. So if you guys are looking for some replacements for your Dewalt batteries that may not hold charges anymore, or if you just want some extra ones, you may want to give these here a try. I hope this helps.